हाय गाइस, व्हाट्स अप, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। तो मेरे बर्थडे के पहले मैंने कुछ चीज़ें खरीदी थी फ्रॉम नाइकाज पिंक फ्राइडे सेल। आई थिंक दैट इज़ व्हाट इट वाज कॉल्ड, इफ़ नॉट आई विल पुट इट राइट हियर। और वहाँ से आई गॉट अ फ्यू थिंग्स, सो लेट मी शेयर इट विथ यू ऑल एंड या लेट्स गो। ओके, सो फर्स्ट इज दिस मार्स का लिपस्टिक। इट इज़ कॉल्ड मार्स मैट सुपर स्टे लिपस्टिक एंड आई एम इन द शेड 10 रॉयल्टी. This is how the packaging looks like, and this is the shade. This retails for 279 rupees, but on sale I got it for 219. This non-transfer का मुझे पता नहीं, but I have used it in my office and it stays on your lips for good 4-5 hours जब तक आप कुछ खाते नहीं हो, but उसके बाद ये चला जाता है. So if you want to invest in a lipstick just for your regular use, I think this is a good one. So I have a few Mars के products. The second is this Mars का Fuji Gum Candylicious lip gloss. This is how it looks like. This again is a pretty good lip gloss. दिस इज़ द शेड, पर ये बहुत ही श्योर है तो आपके लिप्स पे इतना पता नहीं चलता है. एंड दिस गिव्स अ गुड शाइन. सो या, आई पर्सनली रियली लाइक इट. आई ऑलवेज यूज इट. आई कीप इट इन माई ऑफिस का बैग, सो आई यूज इट इन माई ऑफिस. नेक्स्ट इज अगेन अ लिप थिंगी. दिस इज मार्स फ्लोरल ड्यू प्लम्पिंग कलर चेंजिंग लिप ऑयल. Color changing, not so much. I don't think it's color changing at all, to be very honest. But again, it's a nice lip gloss if you are into lip glosses, but you don't want to spend much. I think you can get this one. This is how it looks like. Orange color का है, हल्का सा एकदम lightest pink देता है. And ये what is called plumping, color changing, plump. Not so much. I don't think it's really plumping, but yeah, if you just genuinely want to try a lip gloss out and you're not sure which one to get, this is a good purchase. The next thing that I've reviewed is actually their Dark Magic blush. This is one of my favorites from this haul. It is black in color, of course, as the name suggests, and आपके skin पे जाते ही ये pink हो जाता है. It just looks very 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 natural. I'll put it here. This is the color and it just feels really nice. Last but not the least, we have Mars Northern Lights in a pencil. Now I have not used this yet. I'm yet to review this on my channel, but अभी आपके साथ unpack कर लेती हूँ. This is the packaging. Packaging is really nice. I like it, and it is a retractable pencil. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and I'll just. Okay, it's smooth. As you can see, this is the shade. Obviously आपको साइड पे भी दिख जाएगा. It is really nice. This comes in various different shades, so you can get it from Nykaa. I will put the link in the description box. Also सबके prices आपको कहीं तो screen पे दिख जाएंगे. Now that we are done with all the Mars things, let's go ahead and review a few things that I am using currently. This is Tony Moly's Wonder Ceramide Mochi Toner. I have seen a lot of people rave about this. This is 500 ml का bottle and it retails for 1500, but I think I got it for 1100 or something. It is nice. मतलब I don't know how to explain it, but it is really really moisturizing. It gives that subtle glow on your face and इतना बड़ा bottle है, so I'm pretty sure कि ये आपके 6 महीने तो चले जाएगा. So yeah, this is the next thing. This cute little bottle of lactocalamine face lotion. Now this is for oily skin. I have oily skin. It is nice. इसको लगाने के बाद हल्का पसीना आता है फिर भी, but उसके बाद this is all set. मतलब आपको पूरे दिन चिप नहीं feel होगा. But yeah, like I've been using this for quite some time. It is a nice moisturizer if you are under a budget. I think this is also very cheap. मतलब कुछ 85 rupees for 30 ml of product, not bad at all. So yeah, you can try this out. The next thing that I got is this Bare Anatomy Ultra Smoothing Hair Serum. This is an expensive product. Like genuinely, itna sa bottle retails for 475 rupees, but it is worth every penny. I have been using this for a month now, and ये आपके hair को इतना smooth कर देता है. It does not even feel like your hair, to be very honest. और मेरी रूममेट वहाँ से देख रही है. शी इज़ लाइक, व्हाट इज शी टॉकिंग अबाउट? बट दैट इज़ ट्रू. द नेक्स्ट थिंग दैट आई गॉट इज दिस विक्टोरिया सीक्रेट प्योर सेडक्शन fragrance mist. This is a body mist. It smells okayish. मैंने किसी का review देखा था on this and saying fragrances are something that you should try first yourself and then buy. I will not recommend anyone to buy it online, but still if you want something that is on the sweeter note, then you can go for it, otherwise skip this. I have got a body wash. Yes, this is Palmolive's Butter Body Coconut Joy Exfoliating Body Wash. It was just pretty cheap and I wanted a different body wash this time, so I got this. Nothing fancy. If you want to get one and if you are living in a PG or a hostel, do not want to use soap, then this is a good purchase. Okay, I'm sorry, I think the angle has also shifted a bit, but as I was talking, this is the last product. इतने सारे मेकअप को निकालने के लिए कुछ तो चाहिए, and we have got this Garnier's Micellar Cleansing Water. This one I have not used. I have used the pink one, which is the other one जो oil infused नहीं है. That is really nice. So this time I thought कि ये वाला try करते हैं. Also wasn't very cheap, wasn't very expensive. So I got this. I think it's a good purchase if you are someone who does not do makeup on a daily basis, but still needs something. तो आप ये यूज़ कर सकते हो. Okay guys, so that was it for today's video. If you liked it, please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and yeah, just wait for more such videos. If you have not seen my birthday vlog, you should. Actually, it's not birthday vlog, it's birthday prep vlog, and the next video that you will see would be birthday vlog. So yeah, do subscribe, and yeah, that is it. Chalo, bye.